So, ang tinuro sa inyo, pag unconscious, you'll be performing ilan? How many chest thrusts? 30 chest thrusts. Okay? So, for example, unconscious na victim mo. Okay. Okay, no obstruction, for example. Start first with ventilation na. Okay. For you to check kung talagang open or closing the area niya, you check for obstruction, then you ventilate. Wow. Okay. Retilt the head. It might be anatomical or
mechanical.
So that's why you're retilting the head. Pag sinabi niya air bounces na retilt, balik mo rin.
Air still bounces back.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi yan probably anatomical pero hindi lang natin. Okay? So we proceed now with your 30 chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your jaw tongue release maneuver.
No obstruction seen.
Again, ventilate, try to ventilate. Hopefully may pasang hangin.
Air still bounces back. Air still bounces back.
Repeat the procedures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No obstruction seen. Air bounces back.
Mga first.
Air goes in.
Okay, so check for circulation. Pag sinabi ng air goes in, ibig sabihin, baka pumasok na yung organs, baka yung anatomical obstruction na correct na. Okay? So for example, para ma-check kung talagang papasok na hangin, I will ventilate. Air goes in. Okay, then you check for circulation. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Okay, pag positive pulse, positive breathing, ano gagawin niyo? Okay, do not leave your victim, okay? Do not leave your victim. Okay, so sample history, you will be doing that. Sample history, pag consuming, you will be performing sample. Yung pick up details ito yung ikaw, okay, pag medical case, like myocardial infarction, stroke, ano ba? Asthma, whatever. Okay, ganyan. Ganun gagawin nyo, sample history. Pero pag you suspect spinal cord injury, vehicular accident, fall, mga yan, you include also your DCAP BTLS. DCAP BTLS. Okay na rin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then mo DCAP BTLS, right?
Okay, victim. Right? Come on. Girl. Huh?